Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Divination for the Olúbàdàn of Ìbàdàn. The king of Ìbàdàn had a spoiled son named Okóko Mánikó, who was always causing trouble in his father's kingdom. There was a time when the son became gravely ill and was on the verge of death. Knowing of Òṣé Méji's fame in Ilé-Ifẹ, the king sent messengers to seek divination. Due to the importance of the message, Òṣé Méjì gathered the following Bàbáláwo, priests of Ifa, to perform the consultation. Ki aròjù ka wo igbó, bíbà de danton, òféni Òdàn. If one is patient in the forest, they will reach a clearing where movement becomes easier. They advise that a goat, Iwure, should be immediately offered to Esu, so that the boy could be saved from the hands of the malevolent forces that were determined to take him from the earth. The Ebo, sacrifice, was carried out swiftly, and before the messengers had returned to Ìbàdàn, Okóko Mánikó was already showing signs of recovery. Therefore, when this Odu appears for someone who is sick, they must be told to make a sacrifice, due to their impulsive or willful way of acting. They should also be told that they have a headstrong child who does not listen to advice. They must be advised to prepare an Ifa for the child, if the child is to live a long life. And if the person has no children yet, they must be told to prepare an Ifa for their first child yet to be born.